Is your hard drive dumb? Meet the 20 terabyte Seagate SkyHawk AI. Built for 64 cams and 0 frame drops. You're drowning in video footage and your hard drive's tapping out. Between laggy playback, dropped frames, and corrupted recordings, your surveillance system feels more like a security liability. You've got 24/7 footage to capture, analyze, archive, and your current drive groans under the weight of it all. You keep thinking, isn't there something smarter out there? Meanwhile, your drives crash, data disappears, and you're stuck in a cycle of reboots, replacements, and regret. Sound familiar? You're not crazy, you're just stuck using tools that weren't built for this level of hustle. Now crank up the chaos. This isn't just annoying, it's mission critical. Imagine losing critical footage of a break-in, or AI analytics skipping because your drive couldn't keep up. Every stutter, skip, or failure costs you trust, time, and sometimes, cold hard cash. Missed motion events. False triggers. Cameras that should be working, but aren't. Your standard surveillance hard drive just isn't cut out for the nonstop, high-res, AI-powered data deluge of modern security systems. And when your entire system relies on one point of failure? Yeah, it's time for a serious upgrade. Enter the beast. The Seagate SkyHawk AI 20 TB Surveillance HDD. This is not your everyday storage, it's enterprise-grade intelligence in a box. Designed for 24/7 AI workloads, it supports up to 64 HD cams plus 32 AI streams. 0 dropped frames thanks to image-perfect AI. And 550 terabytes per year workload tolerance? That's over 3x what standard drives can handle. It even comes with built-in SkyHawk health management to predict issues before they strike, and 3 years of Seagate Rescue data recovery service if things ever go sideways. You want smart surveillance? This is your brain. Benefits? Oh, buckle up. The SkyHawk AI 20 TB makes your setup future-ready. Massive storage, pro-level reliability, and seamless integration with your favorite NVRs like Synology, QNAP, Hikvision, Dahua, you name it. It plays nice with AI analytics, deep learning apps, and mission-critical surveillance environments. Plus, with reduced heat, lower power draw, and rate-optimized rapid rebuilds, your system stays cool, efficient, and unstoppable. Whether you're managing a data center, commercial security grid, or just leveling up your home surveillance, you need this kind of muscle. Thousands of pros have already switched, what about you? If you're serious about reliability, analytics, and 24/7 performance, don't cheap out on your storage. SkyHawk AI 20 TB is flying off shelves, and once you experience 0 dropped frames with 2.5 million hours MTBF backing you up, there's no going back. Don't wait until your system fails. Don't roll the dice on standard drives. Join the next-gen surveillance elite. Click, buy, upgrade. Your footage deserves a smarter hard drive. Your future self will thank you.